Alright friends, now we have come to the if structure. So we also have if else and if else if else structures. So let's start with the logic. We begin with if. So I come here, I say if condition. So inside the if I place a condition. If this condition is true, the program enters to the if block and the code inside will run. For example, let me define an integer variable, name number here. So outside the if block, I say integer number equals to 20. Okay. And then my condition if is if the number equals to 20. Now, since it's true, the code inside the if block runs. Let's test it. After the parentheses, I open my curly braces inside the if block. So I can say system.out.println, and I can say the number is 20. Okay, let's test it. I already compiled it. I run it. You see the number is 20. If I change my number from 20 to 25, it will return false. So the condition is not true. So inside the if block will not run right now. I run it, you see nothing was printed. Okay, the logic is if the condition is true, the code inside the if block will run. If the condition is false, it skips the block. It's so easy to use. So use this logic to control which code runs. You compile and you test to see this behavior. We will see if else and if else blocks too. See you in the next lesson.